So this is the Signature Fitness SF-S2 Sprint Demon manual treadmill. I ordered it from Walmart. It came to my house in 3 days. It's actually not as big as I thought it was gonna be. I know that some of the manual treadmills are a lot heavier and a lot bigger, and they require pallets and things like that. The delivery guy was able to pick it up on a dolly and drop it in front of my garage. Alright, so let's get her open and see what we're dealing with. So as you can see here, I took the top off and it's packaged pretty well. It didn't look like it got dinged up during the shipping. So we have thick, dense layers of styrofoam. You can see the nuts and bolts right there. This is not that big of a treadmill. Alright, let's take her out. So this is the monitor. It is very, very simplistic. You can see on the screen print time, speed, distance, an odometer, and calories. I believe this is where you would put your tablet or your phone. My goodness, this monitor is not impressive at all. But let's see, let's check it out once we fully built it. But this feels like a very cheap plastic toy. So this is the hardware. I like that everything's labeled. Looks like they give you some tools that you can use, but feel free to use your own. This is the SF-S2 out of the box. No damage whatsoever. So they did a really good job of packing the unit. No damage, no scratches. The slats seem rigid right now. We'll put that to the test once we get everything put together. And since we're documenting everything, I just wanted to show you how the arms were packaged. Like I said, there's styrofoam and tape. Everything is taped down and packaged really nicely. I haven't seen anything damaged at all. So we have everything unboxed. We're gonna go ahead and put her together and we'll see how it goes from there. It doesn't look too complicated, but you know, famous last words and all. But everything is unboxed, ready to go. So this is the resistance cable. This part gave me a little bit of trouble. What you want to do is put the metal notch through here first, and then come back and slide it through here second. I had trouble with it because I kept going here first and then here. It's actually easier if you go here first and then here. And there you go. It's done. From start to finish, it took about 30 minutes, maybe less. But it was actually really easy and straightforward to put together. The only hiccup was that the hardware was labeled alphabetically, and the manual had numbers, but if you put anything together before, you shouldn't have any problems. In fact, the screws won't fit if you use the wrong one, so you need the specific screws and you're good to go. There we go. It was one of the easier things that I've put together. I've put together a number of things, as you can see from my home gym. By far, this piece, the body solid power line P2, was more complicated, especially with that leg extension. We have the Fringe Sport Raptor, and we have the Sunny Health and Fitness Phantom Water Rower. Those two were a lot more complicated to put together than the Signature Fitness Sprint Demon. Alright, let's try it out. Alright, so we'll start on low. This is the low resistance. Smooth enough. Slats aren't as bendy as some people claim. Very nice. Alright, so we'll go to medium. A little bit of a difference. Like I'm holding on to the sides. And we'll go to high. Whoa! Good for power walking right here. I've never used another manual treadmill before, so I have nothing to compare it to, but I will definitely give my thoughts later on about this. But the slats are what I was worried about the most, because there were some claims that it would bend so much that it would interrupt people when they were running. I did a short little walk. It was okay so far, but like I said, I'm going to be using it a little bit more before I give any final thoughts. But so far, with the sale price of roughly $1,000, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. I'm used to the treadmills with the motor, especially at the gym. So this will be different. I will be learning how to use it. But so far, it's pretty cool. Thanks for watching.
Oh,